Hello, my crafty friends. It's Debbie from Dior Design Studio, and it is the holidays. I am so excited because this is one of my favorite holidays. Obviously, I love the birth of Jesus. I love to celebrate all that there is, whether it's within my faith or within my fun. And I love whimsical Christmas time. Anyhow, let's start out with this beautiful resin Christmas tree. I'm going to be doing a class to teach others how to make this. Now, this is a very large version. This is all sea glass and baubles and shells, and it's just a very coastal Christmas tree. I painted the base sort of dark to light, like an ombre finish. This is driftwood from Block Island that I used, and of course I love to add the shells. So I resined the entire thing. It's absolutely shiny and stunning. I love it. Now I'm going to be doing a class on December 3rd. I will put the specifics in the description in the YouTube. So I'll also put some of the things that I used, some of my favorite things, I guess you could say. Anyhow, let me show you how I prep for this. So here's the version we're doing for class. It's not as overwhelming. It's not going to take as long. It's going to be a much easier project, but it will be a beautiful Christmas tree. But I want you to look at something. Do you see how concave this canvas is? Because it is built with wood, and it's very sturdy. It's going to be absolutely stunning. But right now, it's got a little bit of a concave surface. So I'm going to show you how we fix that. First thing I'm going to do is spray some water on the inside, and I'm going to spray the entire surface on the outside. So I'm just going to make sure I get the water into the canvas. I want it to be soaked. This is going to be very helpful if you want to do this at home. I'm going to show you how easy this is. But you can really see the concave. And when you put the heavy sea glass, this is some of the sea glasses that we use. You can see the color scheme that I'm going for this. I'm not going to paint this or get anything done today. I'm doing a class on December 3rd, and I'm only expecting 2 people. That's all I need is 2 people, because it's time consuming, and it's something that you really need to pay attention to work on. And the other things that we can use are sometimes some other colored glasses. We can add pearls, we can add baubles, we can add some glitter, some shells, and we can even add a little more depth of color. It goes right along with that whole coastal feeling. So this is my little coastal tree. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, and you're going to listen to it, it's going to be loud, but we're going to dry this canvas. So you can guess what I'm doing. I'm shrinking. I'm going to be shrinking this canvas. The water, as it dries, it will shrink the canvas down. Do me a favor while I'm blow drying my canvas. If you would subscribe to my channel, I would love it. I do a lot of coastal creations, projects that you can learn from. I do freebie Fridays. I put some free printables if you like printables. Some people like to do paper crafting. Some people like to put the beautiful images on shelves. All kinds of things that you can do. You can also drop a hi, hello, in the comments, or you can like this video. but I would appreciate anything that you do. As I build my YouTube channel, I'll be able to bring more and more projects your way. Okay, I know you probably can't see it on the camera yet, but I can see this canvas. It is shrinking and it's getting tighter. Look at the difference. Here's the other one. You can see, or I can see, I'm not sure if you can see in the camera. Let's hold it so that, oh yeah, I can see it there. See how it's concave? It's falling in. As soon as we put this heavy stone on it, it's definitely going to fall in. And look at this one. This one is not concave. This one is perfectly flat now. So I'm going to do the same thing to the other one, but let me just show you quickly kind of what we're going to be doing. I use a little bit of a sea glass, shape our tree. Now, you don't have to use the same colors that I'm using. You can absolutely do your own color scheme. I have every color imaginable. Every color imaginable. I'm just going to build it up. Keep adding to it until it becomes a beautiful tree. Now, I thought I would use this really cool shell as the base of the tree. And I'm going to use maybe this starfish at the tippity top. I think that'll be so pretty. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at how reflective that glass is. So pretty. We can even add in some other shades of blue. There we go. We can make this whole tree just a little bit wider at the bottom. Oh, look at how pretty that's coming. Sorry for hitting the camera. Oh my goodness, that is so beautiful. And I might even add some pearls all around. That is coming out so pretty. Anyhow, during class, you'll get to choose everything that you want. And once you get it the way you want it, that's when we will pour our epoxy resin. And I'll show you how to do it. And you could make a beautiful tree just like this. And once the resin's on, the glass will stay. So I hope you'll join me December 3rd for my Christmas tree workshop.